Progress Monitoring and Gradebook are where you access all student performance data. All students need to be monitored and may need some level of intervention. Progress Monitoring triages students so teachers can easily see their level of need on one page. Students with the most urgent need, those who are actually getting worse, appear in red, prompting the teacher to immediately intervene. Students not improving, but who are maintaining, are identified with the word support in yellow and also need help. Students making progress need to be encouraged and continue what they are doing until they can reach mastery. The information here on the Progress Monitoring page is the same information available on the Gradebook page. The graph that's available in the Gradebook page can be accessed by clicking on this Show Data button. So the pages are interchangeable. They have different uses depending on what a teacher needs to see quickly.